Hi guys, I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be recreating Deepika Padukone's Cannes inspired makeup look. So if you guys are excited for it, let's get started. To start off the look, I'm going to first use a mattifying primer. This is the one by Wet n Wild and applying it all over my face. Moving forward, I'm going to be using an eyebrow pencil by Miss Claire, and I'm only filling in the front part and the middle part of my brows and setting my hair with a spoolie. For foundation, I'm going to be using the one by M.A.C, and Deepika's base obviously looked so flawless. So for that, I'm going to be spraying some finishing mist on my Damn Beauty blender, and this is how I'm blending my foundation, and I absolutely loved how it looked. For concealer, I'm using the one by NYX and applying it underneath my eyes and other areas. And I'm also be concealing underneath my brows and also on my lids. And to blend this concealer, I'm using the sponge once again. And to blend the concealer over the lid area, I'm using this flat shader brush by Pro Arte. Moving further, I'm going to be setting my base using the Stay Matte Pressed Powder by Rimmel, and once again I'm using my beauty blender to blend everything nicely. For the eyes, I'm going to be using only one eyeshadow shade, and applying this all over my lid using this crease brush. For my lower waterline and the lash line, I'm using a very thick jet black eye pencil. This is from Maybelline. And for the liner, I'm using this one by Nykaa, and drawing my outer wing and also the inner wing using the same eyeliner. And to clean up, I'm using the concealer, the same NYX concealer, and this Pro Arte brush once again, so that the eyes look neat and tidy. Also tightlining my upper waterline using the same Maybelline kajal, and moving further, I'm going to be adding at least 2 to 3 swipes of this mascara so that my lashes look fluttery enough. For bronzer, I'm using the one by Bahama, and I really want the bronzer to look super natural, just like Deepika's. So applying this on my forehead, jawline, and the hollows of my cheekbones. For blush, I'm using this very natural pinky toned color and applying this on my cheeks, keeping it very simple and fresh looking and natural. For highlighter, of course, Deepika had a very natural looking highlight going on, so I'm adding this Illuminator from L'Oreal and blending it using a sponge so that it looks very skin-like, and applying the highlighter on the high points of my face. For lipstick, this is a very pinky nude lipstick just like hers, and applying this on my lips, and I'm also adding some definition to my lips using a lip liner by NYX. Time to add the jewelry, and also setting my face with the finishing mist by Wet n Wild, and setting my makeup once again by dabbing the sponge on my skin. So voila, that's my final makeup look, and I really tried my best to make my makeup look as similar to Deepika's, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this look. If you all did, then please don't forget to give this video a big hit and share this video with all your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys super soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye!